Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for camera and photography equipment business, easy and quick. So Squarespace, as we know, is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first you can see templates from here. So here you can choose the topic and the type. So for example, this business is for example, might be an online store, photography. Wait, this is photography. So you can you can start with this one of these templates here, or if you want to build your own template. So let's get started from here. So wait a few seconds. So here you can enter your business name, type any business name for photography and camera equipment business as you like. Now let's continue. Here you can build your homepage section by section, adding as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section might be an attractive section to attract people. So you have to try your best to attract more people and make your website attractive. Also the product section, all the sections must be an attractive section. So that's it. Now let's continue. Add page to your site. You can add a shop, and here you can choose the color palette, the color theme. You can choose any color match with this business as you like. For example, this. Also the font, you can choose any font you like. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe something about your website. You can add a description about your website, and if you want to skip, I'm gonna skip. For me, I'm gonna skip. So this is your homepage right now. You can edit it from here if you want to customize and design your website homepage. So first we have this text here. You can change it. For example, you can type here, welcome to our any something introduce something to introduce your website. Welcome to our site, for example, to welcome to our site for photography. And camera equipment, like this. Also the label here, you can change the text on it. You can change here, for example, you can type shop now or order now as you like. Anything you can change it here. The background, you can add just a simple art if you want, or image. So if you want to add image, much better. So you can search here for free image, for example, camera or photography. For example, this you can choose whatever you like. You can change. You can choose any photo you like, any image. That's it. If you want to add something on your section, you can add a text or button or video or image as you like. You can move it down or move it up or save it from here on this heart icon or duplicate it. If you want to edit the site header, you can change the site title from here. You can upload a file, your logo as a file or from your library, and also you can add the mobile logo image. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage from here: video or image, menus or forms, or audio or charts, as you like. So you can edit the elements section. You can turn this on and change the label, the text on this label. Also you can change it is the social links. You can add social link or email, and you can change the style icon. You can turn on the language switch, and that's it. So you can make this bigger if you want to attract more people. This much better. So that's it. You can if you want to change the view, you can go here and for example make it like a mobile view like this, or like a desktop view. So that's it for today. I'm gonna continue this business on the second part of this video. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the second part of this business in the second video.